Hello and welcome guys, my name is Techy and you are watching Techy YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to convert your personal TikTok account into a business account to get more leads on TikTok. If you are interested in this topic, let's jump into the video. For converting your personal TikTok account into a professional TikTok account, first you have to open your TikTok application. Then click on profile. Then you have to click on the three lines on the top right corner. Then you have to click on settings and privacy. Here you have to click on account. Here you have to click on switch to business account. After this, click on next. Then click on next again. Then click on next again. Then click on next for the last time. Here you have to choose a category of your account. As I am choosing education and training, and click on next. Here you have to enter your email address that will be shown on your business profile, or you can skip this process and add it later. Then you have to enter your bio. You can enter your bio or you can skip it. Your profile is complete. Now you can create a video or click on maybe later. As you go back, you can see that your account has been converted into a business account. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, check out this playlist. This will also help you a lot. This is me, Techy, signing out.